This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Beautifully designed Craftsman Bungalow Cottage style home with wide bluestone tiled veranda, architectural landscaping and fencing. Impressive open foyer, original woodwork and trim. LG formal rooms, sunroom with tiled floors and full bath that could be a downstairs bedroom. Oak floors throughout. Renovated cook's kitchen, generous cabinetry and deep drawers, soapstone counters. Tiled primary bath, walk-in shower, double vanity sinks. Recent painted exterior. 30-year roof 15. Generac gas generator 2010. Garage, 2011, heated and cooled, can accommodate 4 cars. Exterior is real stucco not EIFS.